United Democratic Party UDP mentag sining kong khandai trek la yoban sebiang ki Arngut Kyrtong na Rilum Garo ki bayakun mentag election aja arkulai na party UDP. Ikite ki Arngut Kyrtong la penbenar General Secretary ka UDP ba Jiminu Mautho agabau President uba medba lingdo ubalong ru kumulam pangging dor batawan la yoban pudiang buram yaki.
She contested the MLA election in 2018. Contested MDC election also in 2001. Leslie Sangma. Of two candidates from Garo Hills. As you may be knowing, that the first list of candidates announced earlier, that was on the 22nd of November 2022. We have brought out a list of 32 candidates from the UDP. In fact, we were the first party to make the announcement for the list of candidates to contest in the 2023 Assembly elections. Today, for the second time, the State Election Committee has sat, and today we have approved two more candidates from West Garo Hills. Two very prominent faces from West Garo Hills. One is former MLA and former MDC, Mr. John Leslie Sangma, who will be contesting from 51 South Tura. And then another name is Dr. Pilne Sangma. She's a member of the UDP. She'll be contesting from 50 North Tura. Earlier, she had also contested as an independent in the Assembly elections 2018. And she also contested in the District Council elections in the year 2019 from Tura. So we have these two names whom the State Election Committee has selected today. We have also a number of other names from different constituencies of Garo Hills and also from Khasi Hill. But we will have to wait for the announcement of these, of these aspirants from the different constituencies.
Ex-MLA from South Tura constituency, Mr. John Leslie Sangma. We are also very glad to inform you, as announced by the General Secretary, to have with us once again Dr. Pilne Sangma, who was our candidate in the last MDC election from Tura constituency. We are fielding Dr. Pilne Sangma as our candidate from the North Tura constituency. Friends, I would like to tell all of you here that as a party, this upcoming election, we could see that the people of the state looks up to us as the biggest regional party in the state. And we are pleased to have with us altogether 34 candidates whom we have already finalized. In a very short span of time, we will again come out with another list of candidates, out of which 5 of them are the sitting legislators of this present house, with few other more candidates from other constituencies also. This shows that the people of the state, as I have said, are looking for UDP to address the issues and concerns, the matters related to the welfare of the state. And we stand committed that we will try our level best that we deliver those expectations of the people of the state when we have been given the mandate in this upcoming election. We are very confident and we are working very hard to see that in each and every nooks and corners of the state, in each and every nooks and corners of the constituencies, of each and every constituencies, we will try to reach to all of them, to create the awareness among the electorates, to ensure that this time they make no mistake and be with the UDP in this upcoming election.